sound. What is it? A current of air? Your vibrating vocal cords? Your own eardrums? Something running in your head? It's all of these, but goes so deep. This sound is you vibrating. And who are you? Don't give me your name, address, and occupations. You know that is just a mask. A front, a big act. Who puts it on? Who puts it on your body? Your body? What is an act that is? And who puts that on? Your father and mother? Did they put it on? You know very well who are you, but you won't admit